Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.8 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Milwaukee, West Allis, Wauwatosa, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Brown Deer, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Fox Point, Bayside, West Milwaukee, Glendale, Franklin, River Hills, and Milwaukee Holland Bridge. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, east central Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, West Allis, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Oak Creek. Milwaukee Holland Bridge, State Fair Park, Marquette University, Mitchell Park Domes, Anthem Field, and Mayer Festival Park. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Warner Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, and Pfister Forum. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service